Hey, this will be a video chart on KATX. Video is not going to be too long. Just want to get things updated quickly. Had some people asking kind of what's going on with the chart now that the price has started to fall below this previous area of support. So just want to map out a few next areas of support. And as far as resistances go, not much to say right now. We do have kind of this shorter term trend line here that seems to be knocking the price down, but you can also just use these moving averages here if that makes your life a little bit easier. But from the resistance standpoint, there is this downtrend line right here that has been knocking down the price. As for the supports, we had this level here, which I believe I talked about probably in the last time I did this video, which I think was around a month ago. But this level was at 0.07, and you can see that recently the price has been doing battle with it, and today it did start to pull away, but the bulls did step in and create this little wick here. So what I'm going to do is just leave this kind of a blue line because I think it's kind of neutral, meaning it's technically considered a resistance now that it's been broken, but at the same time it hasn't really pulled away from it enough for me to consider it resistance, because supports resistances aren't exact prices, they're more of ranges. So I would consider this being still within that range. Regardless though, I do want to get the next areas, because that's pretty much what I got asked, was where the next areas where the price could head if this lows continue to be pulled away from. And for that, instead of scrunching up the chart, because we are going to have to unfortunately go back quite a bit of ways in history, I'm going to go to the weekly chart, and that will make mapping out these areas a little bit easier. But so here what I had just drawn, and you can see that essentially the next area of support after this 7 cent area is not going to be until down here at the 5 cent area. So I'll get that changed to green for support. And the reason the place I'm getting this support from is just back here at the beginning of the year. You can see that when the price made this big move up here in January, it pulled back here, and multiple times, over a course of a few months, 5 cents did a great job of holding up as support until finally, this huge, trampoline effect pretty much went to, into action here. But this level here at 5 cents is going to be the next key one. I'm not going to really map out any other supports. If it does in fact come down here and then 5 cents can't even hold, I'm sure I'll be back to update it then. But for now, and like I said, the video is going to be short, just know that 5 cents is the next key area of support, assuming this support zone continues to get weaker and weaker and the price falls away from it. So like I said, I'm not quite ready to concede this as being a support break, but if the price closes quite a bit more below it, then I would consider that finally being a break, and the next price target, due to it being the next support level, would be at the 5 cent area. So if there are any other questions, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was KATX. Thanks for listening.